Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, today we are going to discuss the continuous part of tenses. We are going to discuss present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous tenses. You have to understand the concept of continuous, and you have to understand the concept of present, past, and future. If you are well aware of the concept of present, past, and future, definitely you can understand their translation method as well. So when we are saying, let's see some examples. माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे हैं, this is present continuous. If I convert this sentence in past continuous, so माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे थे, and if I convert this sentence in future continuous, so it will be माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे होंगे. Likewise, if I say बच्चा सो रहा है, so it is present continuous. If I say बच्चा सो रहा था, so that will be past continuous. And if I say बच्चा सो रहा होगा, so the sentence will be in future continuous. So we can easily translate it. Simply we have to understand the concept of these sentences. So माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे हैं, the fishermen are catching fish, because is am are used followed by present participle. Present participle mean first form plus ing. So we use is am are as a helping verb in present continuous. So we say माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे हैं, the fishermen are catching the fish. So if we take this sentence in past continuous, it will be माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे थे, the fishermen were catching the fish. So was and were are used in past continuous. Was and were are used as a helping verb in past continuous followed by present participle. And present participle means first form plus ing. The fishermen were catching the fish. And if I take this very sentence in future continuous, so it will be माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे होंगे. माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे होंगे, the fishermen will be catching the fish. So in future continuous we use will be or shall be as a helping verb, as we have already discussed when I was writing syntax in the previous lectures. So I have mentioned over there what is the syntax of present continuous, what is the syntax of past continuous, and what was the syntax of future continuous. So likewise, let's move ahead. बच्चा सो रहा है, the child is sleeping, because the child is a singular, that's why we are using is. So there are three helping verbs is, am, are that are used. So the child is sleeping. With first form sleep we have attached ing, so it has made present participle. The child is sleeping. बच्चा सो रहा था. Now we have taken this sentence in past continuous, so its translation is the child was sleeping. And similarly, if we take this very sentence in future continuous, so we shall say like बच्चा सो रहा होगा, the child will be sleeping. The child will be sleeping. So these were some of the affirmative sentences, some positive sentences. Now we can convert these sentences into negative one. Let's have a look. माहीगीर मछलियां नहीं पकड़ रहे हैं. माहीगीर मछलियां नहीं पकड़ रहे हैं. The fishermen are not catching the fish. The fishermen are not catching the fish. The plural of fish is also fish. The fishermen are not catching the fish. Likewise, if we are saying the sentence in past continuous in negative, माहीगीर मछलियां नहीं पकड़ रहे थे. माहीगीर मछलियां नहीं पकड़ रहे थे. The fishermen were not catching the fish. The fishermen were not catching the fish. Likewise, if we say this sentence in future continuous, so we shall say the fishermen will not be. This time not will be adjusted. Not will be adjusted in will and be. Will not be. shall not be. So we will say the fisherman will not be catching the fish. The fisherman will not be catching the fish. Similarly, बच्चा नहीं सो रहा है. बच्चा नहीं सो रहा है. The child is not sleeping. The child is not sleeping. बच्चा नहीं सो रहा था. बच्चा नहीं सो रहा था. So the child was not sleeping. The child was not sleeping. बच्चा नहीं सो रहा होगा. बच्चा नहीं सो रहा होगा. The child will not be sleeping. The child will not be sleeping. Likewise, we can convert these sentences into interrogative. What we are supposed to do? Yes, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to bring helping verb in the start. Very easy for converting interrogative sentences, for translating interrogative sentences. What we are supposed to do? We have to bring helping verb is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be in the start. How? Let's see. क्या माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे हैं? क्या माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे हैं? Are the fishermen catching the fish? Are the fishermen catching the fish? क्या माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे थे? Were the fishermen catching the fish? Were the fishermen catching the fish? क्या माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे होंगे? Will the fishermen be catching the fish? Here we have to do some slight adjustment. We shall be bringing will in the start, and we will say will the fishermen, and then followed by subject. We will bring will in the start. Will the fishermen be, listen again, will the fishermen be catching the fish? Let's discuss some more sentences in interrogative form. क्या बच्चा सो रहा है? क्या बच्चा सो रहा है? Is the child sleeping? As I have mentioned earlier, that we have to bring helping verb for making an interrogative sentences in the start. क्या बच्चा सो रहा है? Is the child sleeping? Likewise, क्या बच्चा सो रहा था? Now we are in past continuous interrogative. क्या बच्चा सो रहा था? Was the child sleeping? Was the child sleeping? And likewise, in future continuous, क्या बच्चा सो रहा होगा? क्या बच्चा सो रहा होगा? Will the child be sleeping? Will the child be sleeping? So in this way we have covered this present continuous, past continuous and future continuous simultaneously. Simultaneously mean at the same time. We have to understand the concept of continuous, continuity, and we have to understand the concept of present, past and future. So if we have understood the concept, so we can easily tackle this problem. That will be very easy. We can translate many sentences in present continuous, in past continuous or in future continuous. So this was the basic concept of present continuous with examples. Hopefully you have understood. Anyhow, if you will be having any question, any query, you can ask without any hesitation, and you can subscribe this channel and you can press the icon of bell button. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you are around. Allah Hafiz.